Hi guys, how you doing? Check this out. We've been watching SushiSwap for a while now, and over here I was expecting on this candle over here when it broke the all-time high to actually go parabolic. It didn't. It got correction down, and now we are getting above higher high above this high over here, and maybe there's a chance if we close above this line over here at 16.8 that we are gonna go actually parabolic. So we're gonna check it out and see what's actually happening with SushiSwap if we're gonna go parabolic after this. But before we start, how you guys doing? How's wife and kids? How's the family? Good? Hope everyone's doing great. Been cold a few days lately, and now we are I just listened to the news, and they're saying the warm weather is picking up, and it fits nicely because we had a huge dump today. I don't know if you guys noticed, like everything was down like 10, 15, 20%, and then over the day we got back up. I hope none of you guys sold your coins. Don't be scared. Listen, here's a pro tip in the bull markets. Do not sell dips, man. It just keeps on going up. Do not, unless you are active trader, there's no reason to sell. If you got something, just hold it. It's gonna come back to the levels it was previously. In the bull market, that's how these things works. Number two, I know everybody's saying like, just buy the dip, and I'm like, dude, I got no money to buy the dip. All of my money are into something, you know. You understand? I'm not selling something to buy another dip, you know. I'm not selling the dip to buy another dip, you know. Just in this kind of stuff, if you're not prepared, you just hold it till it comes back up, and it's all gonna be good. Let's get into the charts and see what's happening. And if you haven't already, smash the like button, as I want to text and everybody else is saying right now, and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna talk about subscribing at the end of the video, so be sure to check it out. Okay, so basically SushiSwap is looking really good right now. As I said in the start of the video, this was actually resistance that I was actually watching. It did not perform as I expected. We did broke it, we closed above it, and then slowly we got back down again, and now we found some new kind of bottom over here, and we're going up. So this was some kind of a high, then you got some kind of low, then a higher high, higher low, and now we are expecting at least a higher high from these levels over here. But to be sure that this is gonna go parabolic and at least gonna go up higher, we have to close above the new all-time high, and that's at 16.8. so if we close above 16.8 today, all good. Now this can be also like one of those 1-inch videos that we made. We said like we are gonna go high because we are expecting to close above certain level. We never closed above that level, and now 1 inch is in some kind of sideways movement, still not doing performing as we expected. It will perform, but we did not close above the level that we are supposed to close above. So right now, SushiSwap, we need to close above 16.8. I know that we are 17.5 now, but there's still how many hours left? 2, 4, 5, still 5 hours left, and it can easily come back below 16.8 if that happens. You know, so we preferably want to close above 16.8. That's the important line. Now check this out. On the, this is RSI, and on RSI on the daily we got something called bullish hidden divergence. The price went up, but the RSI went down. That's the hidden bullish divergence. It's very bullish. Basically, it means that we are in some kind of continuation pattern or price continuation. That means that price is going to continue in whichever direction it's going, and right now we are going up, so it's going to continue going up. The second thing to notice here is the MACD. MACD did not get bearish crossover here. It actually bounced off the signal line, and it's now diverging again. Sorry, I had to think about that. It's diverging again, so that's bullish. So on the daily we are really bullish on SushiSwap. Number one, we are crossing the line, the resistance that we have to cross up here. We got the RSI hidden bullish divergence, and on MACD we did not get bearish cross, and now we are diverging again between the moving average and the signal line. So all in all, very positive for the for SushiSwap. Not only that, you can see here we went all the way down to the 20 moving average and we bounced above that. On 10 moving average we are above 10 moving average, so everything looking really good. Not only that, the 10 moving average is actually no longer going sideways, it started picking up speed on the upside again. So SushiSwap, however you look at it, it looks really nice. So let's clean up a bit these lines over here. So I'm going to show you some other lines that are interesting from what I can tell. There was this one over here, these levels over here, I think, where was it? Something like this. How did I draw this? Sorry, let me use magnet for this. Yeah, like this. So basically, when we're going up, this line was used as a resistance. Then we broke it and used as support two times before we broke above that. Now we got something similar happening here. We broke this resistance line over here, right? Hit it up here, hit it around here, broke it, and now we are retesting it as a support once, twice. So the same thing here, once, twice, up, once, twice, and now we're expecting a move up if the history is gonna repeat itself. Will it repeat itself? That's still we have still to wait and see what's gonna happen with that. Let's zoom in a little bit up here. Like this, and see, so where are the price targets for us right now? Hard to tell. You can also see this line over here that we are hitting the resistance on top over here, so this also we need to make sure that we cross at 18.2. so basically, not only is the target at 16.8, 16.7 important, 8.2, so it has a little bit more up to go before we can be entirely sure that this is gonna go parabolic. But if it can close around 18.3, something like that, above that, I think there's a big chance that SushiSwap is gonna moon like really big. So SushiSwap is a token right now to watch for, and this is the area you should be looking for. Price targets, I don't know, man. I don't want to talk about price targets. It's pretty hard to say where something will go, what will happen. Maybe something like this. It's too hard to say where it will go. Let's just not go there. It will go at least higher than 18.2. It will go at least. I had some targets for the graph when it was came out of the pattern and started going up, but you see even on the graph, it went up to 2.3 and then down to 1.6. Things just don't go down in the bull market, you know. You just go to certain levels, stabilize on that level, get some consolidation there, some kind of a profit taking, then new players get in and it continues to move further up. So keep an eye on SushiSwap, guys. SushiSwap can be doing good. I think it's time for SushiSwap to go higher. Right now I did the 70% after this big dump. Actually it did 44% today. If you measure the entire move from the bottom to the top, that's 45% move today. So all in all, SushiSwap is the coin to look for right now, and I think it's time for it to continue its further movement up. Now, as I said, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you like technical analysis, and you have to like technical analysis. If you don't believe in technical analysis, you don't know what it is, just follow somebody who does, you know. There's no other way to know when to buy and sell in these kind of markets beside technical analysis. I mean, you can talk all day about fundamentals and stuff like that, but fundamental may tell you, yeah, sure, it's gonna be number 10 or 20 on the coin market cap, right? But when it's time to sell, when it's time to buy, only way to know that is technical analysis, and that's what we do on this channel here, technical analysis. Also, check out the Patreon, $1 1 month. We are 1/4 of the way to fill out all the spots for the early adopters. So 75 more places left. Check this out, it's nice. Thanks for watching. Right now I'm gonna upload this video, and after that I'm gonna start a Monday chill stream. So if you got guys some questions about altcoins or anything else, just wanna hang out, see technical analysis, come join us, man, come join us. It's gonna be nice. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.